Alright, HVAC people, let me show you what I got going on this morning. We're going to be installing this 410A. This is an R22 system, so compressor just not pumping. Wasn't grounded or anything like that. So I'm gonna take some of these acidaways. First thing I'm gonna do is check this refrigerant, make sure it's good, because that's R22. Liquid gold, folks. All right, so we're gonna be replacing this unit right here. Like I say, the compressor, it's just not pumping. I had a hard start kit and everything out here. All right, so I'm gonna take this, use this acid tester. I think they say do it on a suction line. So what happens is, this is yellow. If it turns orange, I won't be able to reuse it. That's all you gotta do though. And then just, I'll just come back. A lot of time when it's a real burnout, you can smell it though. It'll be black and it's a turning red real fast, but I don't see anything. But I'll come back and check on this right here. If it don't turn red, I'm gonna recover this. Gotta recover it anyway, but that'll determine which cylinder I put it in. Insert either end of the quick connect on the low side service valve while system is operating. It can't operate, so but don't worry about that. And allow the vapor to flow across. If the indicator does not change color and inorganic acid problem does not exist. Yeah. So we good. There's nothing wrong with that refrigerator. Alright. Alright folks. Ain't but 7:30. I'm already drenched. So we gotta go with the AC, folks. To get in the attic. Change out the expansion valve. This will help me out a little bit. See what we got here. Alright, recovering. So that thing held its memory. I got 3 pounds in there right now. I got 3 pounds out of it. I want to mention it, everybody working in this heat, 2023 summer, y'all be safe out there. I just want to mention that. Try to stay hydrated, take breaks, wear hats, try to stay out direct sunlight, wear sunscreen if you need it. Be very careful, keep it on our mind. Brought my bigger cutters, huh? ground wire out of there. Or 10-8. So I'll put the locks on here. Make sure when I move. Yeah. Go ahead and lower it to the ground so it won't fall, but I don't like how it's sitting on that pallet. All right, let's see what we got. Cut the straps.
I found this thermostat.
You had set it up, huh? Yeah. So yeah, if you like it at about 78, that froze you. Then you couldn't take it.
I mean that usually during the day, my wife sometimes put it at 75, 74. But at night it stayed on 76.
Yeah. Okay, well that's good then. So. But you don't like the 90s though, do you?
No, not at all. No, even on winter, because we usually stay upstairs. So it's already, you know, warm enough.
Yeah.
I mean, it's gonna be the same thing. Probably we put it on 74, 75. For the heat. But usually downstairs is cold, so that's why we don't stay that much. Because it's only one. I have to think probably another. I'm not adding another one.
Add another one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Another AC?
Maybe because it's not gonna work like that. If it happen again, this is like.
Oh yeah.
2 years ago the fan was out on that one.
Yeah.
And
that's why I say, man, be honest with you, man, you need to do like a routine maintenance and have a professional come look at it every year. I'm just saying, not getting on you, but a lot of people, it's the most expensive piece of equipment in their house, and they turn it on and forget about it. They don't do any maintenance on it. Anything need maintenance or professional, just at least look at it. You'll be surprised of what some stuff I can find just by looking at it. That can not cause potential problems, but I know it costs to maintain it, but save you a lot of money in the long run, and a lot of headache. And the maintenance don't mean that we're gonna prevent anything from happening. It can always still break down, but it's still better to have somebody look at it. Cause this is the most expensive appliance you got in your house, so.
Exactly.
Oh man, I don't know why Carrie would do that.
Last year we didn't even stay here so much. I think we were like out for like 1.5 months.
Oh yeah?
And went back to the country.
Oh, okay. So you didn't need to run it? Or it wasn't working?
It was on, but I say that was 79, something like that.
Yeah, you don't want it. If y'all leave that long, you don't want it to get too hot.
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
Because the fridge.
Keep it like 82 or something.
Yeah, I think it was 79 or 80.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
This year was too hot too. Even during the day, it was not cool enough. So my wife.
Right. Yeah. I usually don't do this, but since they got it like that. I got a cool out there. Hey, thanks for asking though. I really appreciate that. Alright folks, so I usually don't put my own, really like my filter dryer right here, but since Carrier, no, I don't want to make a coupling right there. But maybe where they want it. Alright, so that ain't gonna be big enough. I gotta get some more 5/8. Alright y'all, so what y'all see around my neck is the Renvo Air 3. Oh man, it's a lifesaver. Air conditioner around your neck. Where you been all my life, Renvo? This ain't a sponsored video. I bought this with my hard-earned cash. But if I can find a link or something like that, I'll you put my Amazon link on there. I think they're about $300-400. All right, folks, got that welded in. I went on and put that filter dryer right there because I know my work. I like my filter dryer up there. If I run on this unit and see a filter dryer right here, I'd be like, nah, no, I ain't do that because I like to put my filter dryer right there. So we're gonna keep it consistent. Put it back right there. All right, so you see this coil right here has R22 and 410A written on here. No leaks in this coil. It's a good coil, copper coil too. But I already flushed it out. But now it looks like it has a piston in here. So I'm going to install this TXV. All right. 410A TXV. That'll convert this unit over. Alright, HVAC people, so I'm gonna get ready to wrap this one up. I was just taking my hoses off, but the guy ain't making ending, so I already got the suction line taken off. But just want to at least show you the subcooling with the expansion valve. Our pressures are good. It's still warm in the house, but I got about 10-degree subcooling, so I'm gonna call that good. Get ready to wrap this up. Put a head on a no cool call. It's about 9:30, so we'll knock some of these no cool calls out. But as always, thanks for watching. This right here was a condenser change out and the expansion valve. We're good to go.